Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to accept an order on Skip the Dishes. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Skip the Dishes application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. So go ahead guys and install it if you haven't and open up the application, and after that guys, you want to go ahead and create an account and log in. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the restaurants near you that you can order from. So guys, the first thing you want to do to be able to accept an order, first thing you have to do is to work as a delivery driver. So first sign up for that guys, and after you start working as a delivery driver for Skip the Dishes guys, now you will be able to accept orders. So guys, what will happen is you are going to get a different looking menu right here, and in your order section you will no longer be able to order stuff, but you will see orders that appear for you for delivery. So guys, this is how it looks. You're going to go ahead and see something like this that will appear in your order section, where you will be able to have the option to accept the order and to accept the offer. So if you want, just go ahead and click the green button, scroll right so that you can accept the order, and after clicking on accept the order guys, then you will be greeted again by the main page where it will say that you have accepted the order and you need to deliver it. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.